Got everything lined up, ready to go. As soon as we have access downstairs, we'll start ripping out what they have. I got the GoPro and the tripod ready, so we'll take a time-lapse video of this installation. Got our threading station set up here for the gas piping. And it's overcast, but at least it's not raining right now. So looks like we'll have fun today. Stay tuned. All right, this morning we're taking out this 2-zone oil-fired boiler with this near boiler piping, the water heater, circulators. We're gonna build a wall right here and get this bad boy done. So stay tuned. Oh, now he's got it.
No, I had to get a good grip on it.
Mike took the much heavier piece with ease. You got your tampon string in, don't you? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 more sections left. This thing is history. I got the Milwaukee M18 transfer pump, draining the water heater. It's almost done. We'll split these sections up and clean up our mess. I know I'm not an idiot. No, on here, Kelvin. I know I'm not an idiot, but this slips in there like that, and you tighten this up. And the people who make this, Addy, tell me, yeah, just hold it back on the valve. So really, I need to hold it back there to tighten up this nut? Does that make sense, guys? Does that really make sense? Holding back on this nut, which is impossible. Where's the other pipe wrench? Mike has. Holding back on this to tighten up that. I'm sorry, but that doesn't really make sense to put that amount of pressure on that valve. Correct me if I'm wrong. What time is it? 12:30. 12:30. Press the last 4 fittings. Four joints. Less than 1 minute, 4 joints secured. So sorry about the time lapse, but the battery died. And I couldn't find my USB charger for the USB cable, so here we're at it. We're just finishing up, just started up the system. I think it's 1:30. A couple little loose ends to do, like clean up the mess that we made and put the cover on the zone relay. And I gotta admit, I made a mistake. I bought a Takeo 2-zone switching relay for the 2 zones, forgetting that the NFC can handle up to 3 zones internally. So, fucked up. All right, so let's do a little overview. What's great about the NFCs by Navian is that they include this T to throw in your relief valve, air vent, and this could be for low water cutoff. And of course, we have our fresh air intake on the top left and the exhaust 2-inch for both on the top there. On the bottom, it comes with this stainless steel manifold. This is your primary loop. It comes with this valve set and this valve. It does not come with the domestic water valve set. Nor does it come with bushings to bush down from 1.5 to 1.25 inches, which I like to use. And then the 1.5 to 1 inch bushing to hook up the return line, including the NaviClean magnetic filter. So that also comes with the Navian. We throw in a backflow preventer, the Cleffy 1/2 inch pressure reducing valve with the built-in temperature pressure gauge, Webstone 1.25 inch press air separator, extra number 30 expansion tank. We have our Sani Best condensate neutralizer all-in-one combo. There's our Taco 2-zone switching relay, followed by our Taco 007Es. These are ECM high efficiency circulators. I use the Webstone, which is now a Nipco company. Rotating circulator isolation flanges with purge on top, without purge on bottom. I reverse flow purge back to the top of the circ. And I prefer Viega press fittings whenever possible. So there you have it on the front of the unit. Right now, space heating, it says it's off, which it probably was at temperature, so it'll turn back on, and domestic hot water is on, so that's why it's on. So if we want to adjust the temperature, we go to it, and we could turn the temperature like this. All right, to lock in the save settings, just push in the round button, and let's say we want to adjust the space heating temperature, push it in, adjust. I like to set mine at 165. Tells you your pressure as well. So it's pretty cool. If we go into the menu, we have quick setup menu. This is to configure if it has outdoor reset. It's disabled. Autofill pressure. Again, I don't use that. Time settings. This is 2020. It is the 2nd month. And it is the 25th day, I believe. Calvin, today's 25th?
Today's 26th.
Today's the 26th. And it is 1:35. Domestic hot water recirculation. We're gonna do Combi preheat. And it's always gonna be on. Actually, no, make that intelligent. And that's it. Those are all the settings in that. Very, very nice, sweet box. We have done a number of NFC installations so far. We've done the 200s, we've done the 175s. This is a 200. So there you have it. Thoughts, feedback, comments, criticism down in the comment section down below. If you want to hate, go ahead and hate. You're just hating because you can't do it like this. See ya.